Jagraon, Punjab's hidden gem. Nestled in the heart of Punjab, Jagraon is a city that often gets overlooked. While many travelers rush towards the more popular destinations like Amritsar or Ludhiana, Jagraon quietly waits to be discovered. This city, with its rich history and vibrant culture, offers a unique experience for those willing to take the time to explore it. Travelers tend to rush towards the more popular destinations, often missing out on the hidden gems like Jagraon. However, those who take the time to discover Jagraon are rewarded with a unique experience. The city offers a blend of the old and the new, where historical landmarks stand proudly alongside modern buildings. This is a city where the past and present coexist. You can walk through streets that have witnessed centuries of history, and yet find yourself surrounded by the conveniences of modern life. It is a place where the rhythms of rural life still hold sway. The local markets buzz with activity, and the fields are alive with the hard work of farmers. Jagraon is a city of contrasts. Modernity is slowly making its way into the city, yet the traditional ways of life remain deeply rooted. Modernity is slowly making its way into the city. New buildings and amenities are emerging, bringing with them a wave of change. Yet step outside the city centre, and you will find yourself transported back in time. The countryside around Jagraon is a testament to the enduring beauty of rural Punjab. The air is filled with the sounds of nature. Birds chirping, the rustling of leaves, and the gentle hum of rural life create a symphony that is both soothing and invigorating. The land stretches out in an endless expanse of green fields. This is the true heart of Punjab, where agriculture reigns supreme and the pace of life is unhurried. This is the true heart of Punjab, where agriculture reigns supreme and the pace of life is unhurried. The fields are a patchwork of crops, each one telling a story of hard work and dedication. Jagraon offers a glimpse into the soul of Punjab. The city is alive with cultural festivals, local artisans at work, and a community that takes pride in its heritage. It is a city that nourishes the body and the spirit. The local cuisine is a feast for the senses, and the spiritual sites offer a place for reflection and peace. From its fertile fields to its vibrant culture, Jagraon is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. The city is a tapestry of experiences, each one adding to its unique charm. Come explore the heart of Punjab and experience the magic of Jagraon. Whether you are a history buff, a nature lover, or someone looking to experience the authentic culture of Punjab, Jagraon has something to offer. Discover the hidden gem that is Jagraon, and let it leave an indelible mark on your heart. Jagraon is surrounded by a patchwork of fertile fields. These fields stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a mesmerizing mosaic of green and gold. The landscape is a living canvas painted with the vibrant hues of nature's bounty. These fields are a testament to the city's agricultural heritage. For generations, the people of Jagraon have cultivated this land, passing down their knowledge and skills from one generation to the next. The fields are not just a source of food, but a symbol of the community's resilience and dedication. The land is incredibly fertile. The rich, dark soil is teeming with nutrients, making it ideal for growing a variety of crops. Farmers take great care in preparing the soil, ensuring that it remains healthy and productive year after year. It produces a bounty of crops that sustain the region. From wheat and rice to vegetables and fruits, the fields of Jagraon are a source of sustenance for the local community and beyond. The diversity of crops grown here is a testament to the land's fertility and the farmers' expertise. Wheat and rice are the main crops. These staple foods are essential to the diet of the people in the region. The sight of golden wheat swaying in the breeze and lush green rice paddies is a common and comforting sight in Jagraon. During harvest season, the fields turn a brilliant gold. The golden hue of the ripe crops is a sight to behold, signaling the culmination of months of hard work and dedication. It's a time of celebration and gratitude for the farmers. Farmers work from dawn till dusk. Their day begins with the first light of dawn and ends only when the sun sets. The work is demanding, but it is also deeply rewarding. The farmers' connection to the land is evident in every task they perform. Their hands work the land with the wisdom of generations. Each furrow ploughed, each seed sown, carries with it the knowledge and experience of those who came before. This generational wisdom is what makes the farming practices in Jagraon so effective and sustainable. These are not just fields, they are a source of life and livelihood. The fields provide food, employment, and a sense of purpose for the community. They are the backbone of Jagraon's economy and culture. They represent a deep connection to the earth. The farmer's relationship with the land is one of mutual respect and care. They understand that the health of the soil is directly linked to the health of their crops and, ultimately, their own well-being. The farmers take pride in their work, and it shows in the quality of their produce. The fruits of their labor are not just commodities, they are a reflection of their hard work, dedication, and love for the land. The aroma of freshly harvested crops fills the air. It's a scent that is both invigorating and comforting, reminding everyone of the hard work that has gone into bringing the crops to maturity. It's a scent that speaks of hard work and the bounty of the earth. The fragrance of the harvest is a testament to the farmer's dedication and the land's generosity. It's a reminder of the cycle of life and the rewards of perseverance. The sight of these fields is a reminder of the importance of agriculture. In a world that is increasingly urbanized, the fields of Jagraon stand as a testament to the enduring significance of farming. They are a vital part of the region's identity and heritage. They are a testament to the hard work and dedication of the people of Jagraon. The farmers' unwavering commitment to their land and their craft is what makes Jagraon a thriving agricultural hub. Their efforts ensure that the fields continue to flourish, providing sustenance and prosperity for generations to come. The Sutlej River flows gracefully near Jagraon. It is a lifeline for the region. Its waters nourish the land, providing life to the crops and sustaining the people. The river is a source of irrigation. It ensures the success of agriculture in the area. The banks of the Sutlej are a place of tranquility. People gather here to find respite from the heat. Children play on the banks, their laughter echoing across the water. Fishermen cast their nets, hoping for a good catch. The Sutlej River is not just a source of water, it is a symbol of life. It is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. The river flows on, its rhythm a constant, in a world that is always changing. Jagraon experiences a typical North Indian climate. The weather is characterized by its extremes, with each season bringing a distinct flavor to the region. Summers are hot and dry, often reaching temperatures that can be quite unbearable. The sun beats down relentlessly, making the days long and sweltering. Winters, on the other hand, are cold and wet. The temperature drops significantly and the air becomes crisp and chilly. Each season brings its own unique beauty to the region, transforming the landscape and the lives of the people. Spring arrives in Jagraon with a burst of color. The fields come alive with vibrant yellow mustard flowers in full bloom, and the air is filled with the sweet scent of blossoms. Flowers bloom everywhere, painting the landscape in vibrant hues. The weather is pleasant, making it the perfect time to enjoy the outdoors. Families and friends gather for picnics, children play in the fields, and the entire community seems to come alive with the spirit of spring. Summer follows, bringing with it the scorching heat. The sun is relentless and the land dries up, creating a stark contrast to the lushness of spring. The air shimmers in the heat and the fields become dry and cracked. It's a challenging time for the farmers, who must work hard to keep their crops alive. Monsoon season arrives in July, bringing much-needed relief from the heat. The rains are a welcome sight, rejuvenating the parched land and filling the air with a fresh, earthy scent. The rains transform the landscape, turning the brown fields green again. The rivers swell, and the countryside is once again lush and vibrant. Winter descends in December, blanketing the region in a chilly embrace. The mornings are often foggy, with mist and frost covering the fields. The air is crisp and cool, perfect for huddling indoors with a cup of hot tea. Families gather around the warmth of a fire, sharing stories and enjoying the cozy atmosphere. Each season in Jagraon brings its own charm, creating a beautiful tapestry of changing landscapes and experiences. Venture beyond the city limits of Jagraon and you'll encounter a world of natural wonders. The rural outskirts are home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. Mango trees laden with fruit in the summer dot the landscape. Their sweet fragrance fills the air. Neem trees, known for their medicinal properties, stand tall and proud. The skies above Jagraon are often filled with the calls of peacocks. These magnificent birds are a common sight. Their iridescent feathers a dazzling spectacle. You might come across a herd of deer grazing peacefully in a field. Look closely and you might spot a mongoose darting through the undergrowth. The natural world thrives in the outskirts of Jagraon. It is a reminder that beauty can be found in the simplest of things. Take the time to explore the countryside and discover the hidden treasures that await. The true charm of Jagraon lies in its villages. Life here moves at a slower pace. Traditional Punjabi homes with their courtyards and flat roofs line the narrow lanes. The sense of community is strong here. Neighbors gather in the evenings to chat and share stories. Children play in the streets, their laughter echoing through the air. The pace of life is unhurried. People take the time to greet each other, to share a cup of tea, to catch up on the day's events. Life in the villages is simple, but it is also full of warmth and hospitality. The simplicity of village life is a refreshing change from the hustle and bustle of the city. It is a reminder of the importance of community and connection. Jagraon is a city steeped in history and tradition. The region is dotted with ancient gurudwaras, Sikh places of worship that stand as testaments to the city's rich spiritual heritage. These gurudwaras are not just places of worship but also centers of community life. People gather here to pray, to share meals and to celebrate religious festivals. One of the most famous gurudwaras in the region is Gurudwara Nanak Sahib, located about 10 kilometers from Jagraon. This gurudwara is known for its beautiful architecture and its peaceful atmosphere. It is a popular destination for pilgrims and tourists alike. The gurudwaras of Jagraon are a reminder of the city's enduring faith and its rich cultural heritage. They are places of peace and tranquility where visitors can connect with their spirituality and experience the warmth of the Sikh community. No exploration of Jagraon would be complete without experiencing its vibrant culture. The city comes alive with music and dance during festivals. Bhangra, the energetic folk dance of Punjab, is an integral part of every celebration. The rhythmic beat of the dhol, a traditional drum, reverberates through the streets, inviting everyone to join in the revelry. Food plays a central role in Punjabi culture, and Jagraon is no exception. The aroma of spices wafts through the air, tempting you with promises of culinary delights. From hearty lentil stews to rich butter chicken, the food of Jagraon is a feast for the senses. The flavors and sounds of Jagraon are a testament to the city's zest for life. They are an expression of the Punjabi spirit, which is full of warmth, generosity, and a love for celebration. Jagraon is a city that stays with you long after you've left. It is a place where you can reconnect with nature, experience the warmth of Punjabi hospitality, and witness the traditions of a rich culture. From its fertile fields to its vibrant festivals, Jagraon offers a glimpse into the heart of Punjab. If you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path destination that will feed your soul, Jagraon is the perfect place. Come discover the magic of this hidden gem and create memories that will last a lifetime.